If you're developing your content strategy the old way, there's a high chance it will fail. Shocking. Let me rephrase it. Are you using AI in your content strategy process, or is AI using you? If you're still just using it to write a few blog post drafts or brainstorm some headlines, you're missing the real revolution. After years of building and managing marketing teams, I can tell you that AI is just not another tool. It's a new way to operate. It's the key to building an unfair advantage that your competitors can't easily replicate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move beyond basic brainstorming and build a complete AI-powered content strategy. We'll cover how to use AI for deep audience insights, how to automate your content machine, and even how to use it to predict the future. So, let's talk about the content crossroads, or why AI is no longer optional. The reality is manual content strategy is becoming obsolete. There's an accelerating deluge of content and our audience is fatigued. When I was managing my team of 12, the end of every month was a painful cycle. We'd spend days manually pulling data from Google Analytics to figure out what worked, followed by a 2-day meeting to brainstorm new ideas. It was slow and based on limited information. Today, AI can do 80% of that analysis in 30 seconds and generate a list of data-backed ideas instantly. If you're not leveraging that speed and intelligence, you're not just falling behind, you're competing in a different sport. Now it's time for Beyond Brainstorming, or AI for hyper-targeted content creation. The first major shift is using AI to uncover hidden audience insights. Back in my real estate content days, finding a niche audience need meant weeks of interviews. Today, you can use a prompt like act as a real estate market analyst, analyze Reddit forums, and identify the top 5 most frequently asked unanswered questions from buyers in high cost of living cities. AI can instantly find unmet needs like how to factor in HOA fees in a rising interest rate environment, a hyper-specific topic we never would have found on our own. This is how you generate countless headline variations and craft ultra-personalized content that truly solves the problem. So it's now time for automating your content machine. This is where you really start to build your unfair advantage. Think about your workflow. The most time-consuming part for any writer is often the initial research and outlining phase. A junior writer could spend a full day just gathering sources and structuring a comprehensive outline. Now, AI can produce a detailed, well-researched outline in 5 minutes. This doesn't replace the writer, it frees them from painful searches. It allows them to spend their time on what humans do best, adding their unique stories, expert insights, and a compelling narrative to that AI-generated scaffold. You can scale your output without sacrificing the quality and authenticity that only a human can bring. Hey, if you're a marketer looking to build systems and get ahead of the curve, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. My whole channel is about giving you the strategies to do just that. Okay, let's talk about predicting the future. This is one of the most exciting developments. Before, we plan our content calendars based on historical data. For example, what worked last quarter. AI allows for predictive planning. I can now use the prompt like analyze emerging keyword trends from Google Trends and social media conversations around my industry. Based on this data, predict 3 topics that will be highly relevant in the next 6 months. This shifts the job of content strategies from being reactive to being proactive and even predictive. It's like having a crystal ball that's fed by real-time data. So, how do you bring this into your own team without freaking everyone out? When you're a manager, it's your job to empower your team, not make them feel like they're being replaced. My advice is to frame AI as a personal assistant for every team member. I'd run a workshop and say, your job is not to write 1,000 words. Your job is to create the best possible article on this topic. I am giving you a new assistant, AI, that can handle the boring parts. Your new, more important job is to use that saved time to add your unique human creativity, your stories, and your strategic insights. This elevates the role from a producer to a creative director and builds a resilient content ecosystem when your team is focused on creativity. Okay, the takeaway is this. AI isn't just a tool for writing faster. It's a tool for thinking smarter. It's your research partner, your data analyst, and your strategic planner. Building a content strategy around AI is the single biggest unfair advantage you can create for your business these days. Here's your action plan. Don't try to change everything overnight. Just focus on that first step, audience intelligence. Use the prompt I shared earlier. Act as a market analyst, analyze Reddit forums in your niche, and identify the top 5 unanswered questions. The insights you get from that one prompt will be a game changer for your next piece of content. I hope this guide gave you a new perspective on the power of AI in your content marketing strategy. If it did, please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the future of content. Thanks for watching. See you soon.